welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Opapa Evan, and today I will take you through how to create table of table. So here is what you do when you want to create table of table. The first thing, you go to the reference tab. So you tap on the references. From the references, you go ahead and you highlight your table. You select your table by highlighting the words in your table. Then you go to insert caption like that, and you will see this label here, table 1. You can also make changes on that label. Maybe you want to make the table of figures, so you can go ahead by tapping that button and you choose what you want to use. Maybe you want to create table of figures, table of equations, or table of table. But for my case, I'm using table of table, so I will leave it the way it is. Then you can also select the position where the name of your table, what you are going to name it to appear. You can either leave it to be above the item or the selected item, or below the selected item. But for my case, I will leave it to be below the selected item. You can also exclude the label. See, it has disappeared. Or you can also include it like that. You can also add other names to your, maybe you're creating something else and you want to give it a name. You can add the name, the label there, and the format, in case maybe by default it is having this format 1, 2, 3, 4, but you can also change that format by tapping this button, and you will go and select. Maybe you want it to be in form of letters or to appear in form of Roman numerals. But for my case, I will leave it the way it is. So that was just brief explanation on some of those tools you can use. So what I'm going to do, I'll give my table a name. Maybe can say course unit 2025. Yeah, I can leave it like that. Then what you do next, you go and tap OK. So you can see the name of our table has appeared down there. You go ahead, let us look for another table and we'll also give it a name. I think this can work. So the same thing, you highlight everything in that table. Go to insert caption, give it a name. Maybe you can give it a name, types of farming. Types of farming in Uganda. That, press OK. Want to confirm. Do not highlight it first, so you can also go ahead and you make also some other changes there. You look for other table maybe. which will not disturb us. You can see that table as it will work for us well. Okay. Highlight everything. That table. Go to insert caption. You give it a name. Maybe yeah, we can still use the same name. But now we can say here reproduction in plants. Reproduction plants. And press OK. You can see it is there. So after doing that, what you do next, you bring your cursor to where you want the name of your table to appear. So you put your cursor there, and then you go to insert table of figures. But for our case, it is not table of figures, it is table of table. So here you can also do some other changes, whereby when you come to modify, you realize that you can change the calibra and also the font size, and you can also go ahead and again modify so that you are able to change the color of what you have used. So for our case, maybe let us use red color. You can also bold your work, make the work bold. You can underline it. Then here the name, instead of table of figures, you can change the name to table of table. That. Then you come here, you press OK. There also OK. And here, if you can also leave the tab reader to be there like the way it is you see here, or you can remove the tab reader in case you want. There are many other tab readers that you can use. Maybe if you don't want, you can press none. If you don't want the tab readers, you can choose the one which you like. So for my case, I will leave it the way it is. You can leave it to show the page number or not. Then you can also go ahead and choose the templates and other stuff, but for my case I will leave it the way it is. So what I do, I press OK. It is applying. You can see this is our table that we did not put it in the right place. It's supposed to be on top here. We added, but you can still go ahead and change it by maybe because this space was too small for us to fix the word here, so we are supposed maybe to go ahead and insert maybe a blank page to allow it to fit well. So it is fitting here due to small space. So this is all about table of table. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. My name is Opoka Ivan.